If you've ever wished for a perfectly manicured lawn without the sweat and time commitment, the WORX WR210 Landroid Vision Robotic Lawnmower might just be the solution you need. This robotic mower is part of a new generation of AI-powered, wire-free mowers designed to take the hassle out of lawn care. But does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into the details to see if this high-tech helper is worth adding to your yard maintenance routine. The WORX Landroid Vision sports a sleek and modern design that blends functionality with aesthetics. It is built to handle complex lawn layouts without the need for boundary wires, thanks to its advanced vision-based AI navigation system. The mower is equipped with an HDR camera that continuously scans its surroundings to differentiate between grass, obstacles, and non-grass areas, allowing it to navigate lawns autonomously and efficiently. One of the standout features of the Landroid Vision is its cut-to-edge functionality, which ensures that the mower can trim grass close to edges, reducing the need for additional trimming. The floating deck design also helps it adapt to uneven terrain, providing a uniform cut for even bumpy lawns. For homeowners concerned about security, the Landroid Vision includes a PIN code feature to prevent unauthorized use. Additionally, it supports the optional Find My Landroid GPS module, which can help locate the mower in case of theft. The mower can also be controlled and monitored via the WORX Landroid app, which offers features like scheduling, zone control, and manual start-stop commands. Setting up the Landroid Vision is remarkably simple compared to other robotic mowers that require boundary wire installation. After charging the battery, users just need to pair the mower with the WORX app and follow the on-screen instructions. The mower performs an initial exploratory run to map the lawn, and from there it takes care of the rest, mowing according to the set schedule. The app interface is user-friendly and allows for easy adjustments to mowing schedules and cutting heights. It also offers manual control options for those who prefer to oversee specific areas or handle unique mowing conditions. One innovative feature is the mower's ability to learn from its environment over time, improving its efficiency and accuracy with each use. Ready to make lawn care a breeze? Click on the link in the description to check out the WORX Landroid Vision on Amazon and bring the future of lawn maintenance to your backyard. Pros and cons. In this section, we'll look at the primary strengths and weaknesses of the WORX WR210 to help you determine if it's the right fit for your lawn care needs. Drawbacks. Random cutting pattern. Occasional navigation issues. Edge cutting limitations. Hefty price tag. Despite these drawbacks, the WORX also brings several innovative and practical features to the table, making it a strong contender in the robotic mower market. Benefits. No boundary wires. Advanced AI navigation. User-friendly app. Quiet operation. PowerShare battery system. What do you think? Is the WORX Landroid Vision a game changer for your lawn care routine? Let us know in the comments below. The WORX Landroid Vision Robotic Lawnmower offers a glimpse into the future of lawn care with its innovative wire-free setup and AI-driven navigation. While it has some areas that could use improvement, particularly in the edge cutting and handling complex obstacles, it also brings significant benefits in terms of convenience, ease of use, and quiet operation. For tech-savvy homeowners or those who value their time and convenience, the WR210 presents a compelling option, especially if you're already a fan of WORX battery-powered tools. While the investment is significant, the potential time saving and lawful care efficiency could make it well worth the cost. If you enjoyed this review and want to see more like it, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Stay tuned for more in-depth product reviews and helpful tips on making your life easier. Until next time, happy moving!